Hi everyone, and welcome to part 2 of the subject public transportation here in Korea. And today we will discuss about the bus system. So the buses are quite convenient here in Korea and they offer a lot of stops, so it can be a good option to move around. And there are a few types of buses: express, city, and neighborhood buses, and you can recognize them by color and numbers. So let's see the example of Seoul bus system. First, we have the neighborhood bus. It will usually be a 2-digit bus and it will be in color green, and the neighborhood or the area called dong. So it looks like this. It will usually be 2 numbers. If you can see here, it's the number 11. But there are cases that it will be 4 number like this. And in both cases, they are green. So when you see a green bus, you can understand that this bus is going in a limited area in the neighborhood. Other than that, we have the city bus, which will be a blue bus with 3-digit number. It's going around what we call 구, and it will look like this: 3 numbers and blue color. Finally, we have the express bus, which will be in color red, and it will have 4 digits, and it's moving between cities. So between 시, which is the word for city, and it will look like this. It will be red or white, and it will have 4-digit numbers. Buses are usually operating between 5 in the morning to 12 or 12:30 a.m. Also, we have night buses available, and in the night buses you will see the letter N for night plus the number of the bus, but night buses are not available in every neighborhood, so you have to check if you have a night bus available in your neighborhood or where you want to go. Also, buses are coming in intervals of 5 to 15 minutes. If it is an express bus, they might come in intervals of 30 or 40 minutes as well. Again, in rush hour, they're coming in faster intervals. So how much does a ride cost? Well, what I present you here is for a use of card, a transportation card. For early 2019, this is the current situation. You can pause the video and check the amounts in more details. But what I want to mention is, first, when it comes to city buses, every 10 kilometer, we add another 101 to the fees. So for example, if I'm in Seoul and I'm paying 1,200, so if I travel 20 kilometers, the 10 kilometers are including within the price, and I will add another 101. Another thing that I wanted you to know is, when you're taking express bus and you move in between cities, you will have a 10 or 15 minute break for every 2 hours ride. So the bus will stop in a refreshment point when you can go to the restroom or buy some food and then continue with your trip. So if you're going to the airport or from the airport, this is a link that you can use to see the schedule of the buses and to book tickets. And you can also order tickets for express bus in the link below. And those 2 links I will also attach in the board of this course, so you can look that below as well. So this was the review of the bus system here in Korea, and in the next part, in part 3, we will discuss about the subway and train.